Hmm. Yep, it's dirt. Fresh. Maybe 2 days, maybe more, maybe less. I'm right on his tail. Looks like some bear tracks. This little river is called the West Fork of the South Fork of the Sun River. Well, I just got charged by a grizzly. Bear turd or breakfast? You be the judge. Which way you went. This is time for a skilled tracker. I think he went this way. It's hard to tell though. Here in Montana, we got plenty of bears to worry about. That's why you gotta stay sharp with your bear spray. Show the bears who's boss. Well, I just got charged by a grizzly. I came around a corner and a mother grizzly and two cubs were in the bushes, and she pulled her head out and charged straight at me. I took out my bear spray, and about 20 feet away she stopped, got up on her hind legs, looked at me, turned around, ran back to her cubs and off into the bushes. Coolest day ever. Yep, it's dirt. Fresh. Maybe 2 days, maybe more,